Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making a steak sandwich. Steak sandwiches are one of the ultimate casual meals. They're great for a Sunday lunch, dinner, whenever you want. They're easy to make, they're rich, they're flavorful, and they're exquisite. Let's take a look at what we're going to need to make it, okay? My steak sandwich is going to be served on a ciabatta bun. The steak itself is beef tenderloin, about 200 grams, which we're going to fry in about 30 grams of butter. We're going to need 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 teaspoons of wholegrain mustard. We're also going to have 2 slices, about 20 grams each, of Monterey Jack Jalapeño Cheese. We're going to need about 50 grams each of red pepper, yellow onion, and Crimini mushrooms. We're also going to need salt, pepper, and garlic powder. As with many recipes, the key to making this go smoothly is the preparation. Once you've got all the ingredients prepared, the actual cooking and assembling of the sandwich is easy and fast. One of the first things to do is to season both sides of the steak with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Seasoning the meat early really gives it a chance to absorb the flavors. Next, peel and dice about 50 grams of yellow onion, You can see I'm using a kitchen scale, and I've got about 52 grams of onion here. Reset your scale if you're using it, and add about 50 grams of red pepper to the same bowl. As you can see, I've gone with quite a coarse chop here. And likewise, reset your scale, trim and slice your Crimini mushrooms, and add about 50 grams into the same bowl. In a separate bowl, add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 2 teaspoons of wholegrain mustard. And mix it all together. At this point, we're ready to move into the cooking stage. So, cut your ciabatta bun in half and lightly toast it. go ahead and spread your mustard mayonnaise on your toasted ciabatta bun. And add 1 slice of Monterey Jack Jalapeño to each half of the bun. At this point, pan fry the steak in the butter. You can watch my video on pan-fried ribeye for the technique. Don't drizzle the leftover butter over the steak though, save it for the vegetables. Once your steak has been cooked, remove it from the heat and set it aside to rest. Leaving the butter in the pan, put it back on the heat and add your vegetables. You're going to saute them for about 6 minutes. When your vegetables are almost done sauteing, you can prepare the steak. Start by slicing your steak in half down the middle. And given that this steak is a little bit longer, whereas our bun is a little bit more square, we can kind of trim it a little bit. So that it fits better on the bun. Take your sauteed vegetables and add to your sandwich. And there you have it, an amazingly rich and flavorful steak sandwich. This is, like I said, great as a casual meal with a touch of class and fine dining. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy for my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.